questions. Look at this. There's a bracket, multiplication and addition. So you should do the bracket inside bracket. Even though outside we have multiplication, you should give priority to the bracket. So you should do this operation first, then after you can multiply that answer with this fraction. Here also there's a division and off. According to BODMAS, we have to do off, but here there's a bracket no, so first priority belongs to bracket. So you can do the division operation first, then after with that you can multiply preceding fraction. Okay, let's see our first question among these two. Here there is a bracket no, so we have to do that one. Let's keep the 3 upon 5 and the multiplication mark as it is. Okay, here look at this. These two are in addition relationship. That means you should multiply this fraction by 2 because the denominators are not same now. So we have to equalize the denominators first. That's our first task. So 2 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6. Then after 3 upon 5 multiplied by here, the denominators became same. So we can write the common denominator and you should add 2 plus 3. It would be 5. Then after we can simplify. 5 and 5 can be simplified. 1 time. 6 and 3 also can be simplified. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Then finally 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. So 1 upon 2 would be the final answer in first question. Okay, in the second question here there's a bracket. Now before doing that you should convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 1 upon 4 of inside the brackets. When we convert the mixed fractions to improper fraction, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, it would be 10 over 3 divided by 13 upon 6. 13 upon 6. Then 1 upon 4 of this division should be converted as multiplication. That means 3 upon 10 remains constant. This division will become multiplication. So its reciprocal would be 6 over 13. We can simplify these 3 and 6. Both are 3 multiples. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Then after 1 upon 4 of 10 2s are 20, 1 13s are 13. Okay. Here of means multiplication. Okay, of means multiplication. Here also further we can simplify 4 and 20. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. Then finally that would be multiplication. 1 5s are 5, 1 13s are 13. So 5 upon 13. 5 upon 13 would be the answer for the second question. What we did first, we converted the fraction, the mixed fraction to improper fraction, then division to multiplication, then we simplified, then after there is an outside function of means multiplication. Final, after completing final simplification, we got our answer as 5 upon 13. Okay, in the left hand side question, let's try the question. Here there's a bracket, so we have to do that one. Before that, let's convert the improper fractions first. So 4 over, it would be 15 divided by, it's 2 over 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 it would be 13 upon 4. We have to do the operation inside the bracket first. That means its denominator was 4. So when we multiply this fraction by 2, that will give you the respective denominator. So 15 over 4 divided by here 10 over 4 plus 13 over 4. That means denominators are same now, common denominators. So that remains same. We can add the numerator itself. 10 plus 13, it would be 23. It would be 23. Then after finally division will become multiplication. 15 over 4 division will become multiplication. So 4 over 23. 4 over 23. This 4 and 4 can be simplified. 1 time. Final answer would be 15 upon 23. 15 upon 23. If you made any mistakes, just correct them. Okay, it's not that hard to deal with this question. It's easy. First, conversion of mixed fractions to improper fractions. Then after do the operation inside the brackets, that's just an addition. Then division became multiplication. You should convert the division as multiplication to approach the question. That's what you should do. But the question on right side, that's a different question. Okay, there are two fractions. There are two brackets. Okay, two pairs of brackets. So according to BODMAS rule, we know that you should do the bracket option first. Here there are two brackets, no? So that means you should do both of these brackets separately, simultaneously. Let's convert them. It will become 5 over 3 multiplied with 3 over 5. 3 over 5 plus this is 3 over 4 plus we cannot add these two because the denominators are not same. So I'll multiply this fraction by 2. It will become 2 over 4. Okay, 2 over 4. So here I'm going to simplify. 3 and 3 can be simplified one time. 5 and 5 can be simplified one time and one time. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1. We just did this fraction separately and this bracket separately. That's easy. Here the denominators are same now, so we can add the numerators. It would be 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 it's 5. Here also there are two fractions. The denominators are not same. That means you should multiply this fraction by 4. This fraction should be multiplied by 4. Okay, 4. So it will become 4 over 4 plus 5 over 4. 4 over 4 plus 5 over 4. It's easy. I'll repeat again. First of all, I converted the mixed fraction as improper fraction. That became 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5. That will give you 1 upon 1. And here I converted this. I just found the equivalent fraction of this one. To obtain the denominator as 4, it would be 2 upon 4. Then by adding the numerators, 3 plus 2 it's 5, 4 remains as constant, common denominator. Here the denominator is 1 here and here 4. So that means we have to convert this denominator also to 4. No, that's why I multiplied this fraction by 4. Okay, easy. Then after the denominators are same, we can add the numerators. It would be 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Finally, to represent our answer, we cannot represent an improper fraction. So you should convert this one as a mixed fraction. It would be 2 into 1 upon 4. 2 into 1 upon 4. That would be the final answer for the question. In the left hand side question, look at that question. In that there is a bracket operation first. So before that, let's convert all the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 3 over 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 it's 8 multiplied with 5 over 4 minus 1 over 12 divided by, here it would be 3 over 7. Okay, first what do you need to do? We have to do the operation of subtraction. So we cannot do the subtraction directly, so we have to multiply this fraction by 3. 8 over 3 multiplied by, here it will become 12 over 15 minus 1 over 12 divided by 7 upon 3. So after this 8 over 3 multiplied with, the common denominator was 12, and when we subtract 15 minus 1, it would be 14 divided by 7 over 3. Okay, 7 over 3. After this there are two operations furthermore, multiplication and division. According to BODMAS order, BOD, division. So that means we have to do this one first. So I indicated by using a bracket. Continue our work over here. So in here, after this, the thing we have to do, 8 over 3 remains same and the division will become a multiplication. Okay, so 14 upon 12, that should be multiplied with 3 over 7. Here this 14 and 7 can be simplified one time and 2 times. Okay, 1 time and 2 times, and 3 and 12 can be simplified 1 time 4 times. Okay, 1 time and 4 times. Then finally I'll write the remaining over here. 8 over 3 multiplied with 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. So here we can simplify these two. Yeah. These two can be simplified 1 times, and this would be 2 times. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 4. Finally, it would be 2 2s are 4, 1 3s are 3. It would be 1 is to 1 upon 3. The simplified version of your answer would be 1 is to 1 upon 3. Okay, in the last question, this is our question. Okay, look at this question. In this, there are many operations. Okay, I'll write over here 5 over 6 divided by 1 upon 18 or 2 upon 3 multiplied with 3 over 4. Okay, many operations. First, what do we need to do? We have to do bracket off. That means this one. So 5 upon 6 divided by 7 upon 18 of means multiplication. 2 upon 3 multiplied with 4 over 3. 4 over 3. Yeah. Then after, here we can simplify these two. 1 times and 9 times. Then after 5 over 6 divided by 1 7s are 7, 9 3s are 27, multiplied with 3 over 4. 3 over 4. After this, here also there are two operations furthermore, division and multiplication. BODMAS, D, division. You should do the division first. So I'll write that one. 5 over 6, the division will become a multiplication, and its reciprocal would be 27 over 7 multiplied with 3 over 4. Multiplied with 3 over 4. So here after simplification, these two can be simplified by 3. 2 3s are 3, 9 3s are 27. Yeah, 9 3s are 27. Then 5 4s, 5 9s are 45 upon 14 multiplied with 3 over 4. 45 upon 14 multiplied by 3 over 4. Okay, I hope we got this one. 6. Here we cannot simplify anything furthermore. No. Here also we can't simplify anything, so we can multiply this. So when we multiply, it will become finally 45 times 3 means 45 into 3, it's 135 divided by it's 14 times 4, it would be 56. Finally, the simplified version of our answer would be it can be 356 over 2, it's 112, remainder 23. Remainder 23. This would be the final answer for your question. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay, here we cannot simplify anything furthermore. No. So that's why we got the final answer something like this.